Abeg, when be today's date?
July 1st, 1980.
How much for bag of rice now?
2 naira 50 kobo.
Bobo, e bless now to go do business. I go back to 2024. I go come carry like 10k. Sharp. Bobo, chicken I go full now. See rice, see bag of rice, see business. I go back. Excuse me, I look for where to hire trailer.
Just take back like 1 minute. 30,000 will carry.
God have mercy.
30,000 waiting. Naira.
Yes, sir.
10,000 naira for bike. Abeg, now when we dey so?
July 1st, 2018.
Wait, how much for bag of rice now?
2 million.
2 million waiting. 2 million naira.
Ehena.
Bobo, let's go back.
Go back to where?
To 2024 now.
Okay, speechless.
I only 10k I carry.
Sorry, oh.
Now what if I 10k go fit buy now like this?
1 single biscuit.
We shall be small single biscuit. Food 10k one off for one hour, take on buy food trailer of rice. You tell me say now biscuit. Man, go store, man, go. This bread how much?
Which one? This one?
The small one.
40,000.
This small bread.
I'm going to dollar.
Serious?
Yes. Sure. I don't understand what you the problem.
I need to go back to 20k. My remote! No going back. I can't take it, go 28. Try to see the video I do now, so. I not do one for comedy sake. I do one for wetin go soon happen if care is not taken for this country. The fact now be that. So if you dey do job, I'd always dey talk am is high time you go and look for something else that will survive you in the nearby economy. The fact now be that.